Hi, it's me, Mother Grizzly. I know, I look gorgeous. I wanted to give you your spelling test this week. So this week you had words with oo and uh. Ooh, ooh, Well, I wanted to give you your test, and so with your paper out and ready, here we go. Listen for ooh or Number 1, mood. Anna is in a happy mood. Mood. Number 2, wooden. I got a wooden toy horse. Wooden. Number 3, drew. Children drew pictures of cats. Drew. Number 4, smooth. The stone is flat and smooth. Ooh, I noticed my eyebrows. Number 5, blue. One cloud floated in a blue sky. Blue. Number 6, balloon. Tie the balloon to your wrist. Balloon. Number 7, true. Tell me whether this is true or false. True. Number 8, crooked. Your hat is on crooked. Number 9, chew. Will the dog chew that bone? Chew. Number 10, tooth. Quinn is missing his front tooth. Tooth. Number 11, hooves or hooves. A horse has 4 hooves or hooves. Number 12, cool. Wear a sweater on a cool day, unless you're a bear like me. Number 13, food. There's lots of food at the picnic. Food. Number 14, pooch. The little pooch sat on my lap. Don't worry, I don't like to eat little pooches. And 2 challenge words. Number 15 is loose. Wear loose clothing to exercise. Loose. And number 16, your last challenge word, jewel. The crown has one shiny jewel. I'm opening my mouth really big, but you can't tell. And now I'm scrunching my nose. Let me see if I can wink. How did you do? Let's check over your words. I'm going to go really fast, so feel free to pause it. Ooh, like side profile of my nose. Number 1, mood. Number 2, wooden. Number 3, drew. Number 4, smooth. Number 5, blue. Number 6, balloon. Number 7, true. Number 8, crooked. Number 9, chew. Number 10, tooth. Number 11, hooves or hooves. Number 12, cool. Number 13, food. Number 14, pooch. Number 15 is a challenge. It's loose. And number 18, jewel. Well, I better go find my 2 little darling cubs. See you later.